Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to play lucky number game on your Poppo Live. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Poppo Live account. The next thing is to make sure you have completed your face authentication, upload the live photo, and also reach wet level 5. So the next thing you have to do after completing those requirements is to click on the live option found at the bottom of your screen. So clicking on it, you just have to type in the purpose of the content. My is game. Then have to select the option for the content. You just have to select funny. Click on the option game. Now you just have to click on lucky number. Clicking on lucky number, I can now click on go live in order to start playing the game. So guys, it's that simple. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.